Hello class. Now in this lecture we will see how the power transmission of geared bikes are take place, or geared two-wheelers are take place. Okay, so this is a cut section view of engine and the gearbox housing of the geared vehicle, geared two-wheeler. Okay, so this is a engine. In case of the two-wheeler, as I told you, we have very less space available. So engine and the gearbox and the clutch assembly, we are enveloping in single casing only. Okay, so because of the availability of the less availability of the space, so because of that our transmission system is very shorten in length in case of the two-wheeler as that of the four-wheelers and the other vehicles. So let's see how the transmission will take place. So this is our engine component. Okay, this is our piston, and piston is connected to the connecting rod via this gudgeon pin or wrist pin. Okay, this is the intake inlet of the engine, and this is the outlet of the engine or the exhaust port of the engine. This connecting rod is connected to the crank. Okay, ये हमारा crank है, crankshaft है, और crankshaft and the connecting rod is connected with the help of the crank pin. So whenever piston will move up and downward, when piston having a reciprocating action inside the cylinder, okay, upward and downward, that time crankshaft start rotates. Crankshaft, if we have a look of crankshaft both end, so this end of the crankshaft, on this end of the crankshaft, magneto, or we can say AC generator. Okay, AC generator is located, or the permanent magnet is located. Okay, so simply it is called as a generator. Let it be DC generator hai, AC generator hai. It is a generator which is located on the one end of the crank rod or crankshaft, and on another end the transmission system is there. So this Z1 is called as a small reduction gear. Z1 is the small reduction gear. Okay, and the Z2 is the big reduction gear. So Z1 and Z2 are engaged together, are always in mesh condition. Z1 and Z2 are always in mesh condition, and Z2, okay, Z2 is mounted on shaft which is entering inside the gearbox. Okay, see carefully. Z1 is engaged with the Z2, always engaged means always in mesh condition, means जब piston reciprocate होगा तब connecting rod oscillate होगा and reciprocate at the same time crankshaft rotate होगा, and Z1 will start to rotate, and that rotary movement are transmitted to Z2. Okay, and that Z2 is connected to outer housing. Okay, this is a clutch housing. It is very complicated. If we see if we uh, still if we not observe it practically, it is very difficult to understand on the by only using this sketch. So just try to understand what I am saying. This Z2 is mounted on the shaft which is entering inside the gearbox, but this Z2 is not fixed with this shaft which is entering to the inside the gearbox. ये Z2 ये इस shaft के ऊपर free है, free to rotate. Okay, mean to say Z2 is mounted on this shaft on the bearing, means this shaft Z2 is mounted on the bearing which is present on this shaft. Okay, so जब Z2 rotate होगा तब directly ये shaft नहीं rotate हो सकता. Okay, but in this case of Z1 is fixed with the crankshaft जब rotate होगा तब Z1 भी rotate होगा, and Z1 जब rotate होगा वो Z2 को rotate करेगा क्योंकि it is always in mesh. Now there is a housing. Okay, there is a housing. This housing, outer housing, this thing is we will see in detail. Okay, ये जो assembly है clutch housing का वो डिटेल में हम नीचे देखने वाले हैं, बट जस्ट टेक ऑफ टाइम रिमेंबर कि ये मैकेनिज्म कैसे, just a slight idea we can have. Okay, so this Z2 are fixed with this outer housing. एक basket है. Okay, ये outer basket के साथ Z2 फिक्स है, मतलब जब Z2 रोटेट होगा तब ये आउटर बास्केट रोटेट होगा, बट सेंटर का शाफ्ट रोटेट नहीं होगा क्योंकि वो बास्केट एंड ये गियर ये एक दूसरे के साथ फिक्स्ड है, बट सेंटर में पास होने वाले शाफ्ट से नहीं. Okay, and inside this housing is basket, number of plates are there. Okay, clutch plates are there. So that clutch plates are having or hold tightly together in such way that कि हमारा ये जो Z2 एंड आउटर हाउसिंग है, ओके, वो सेंटर के शाफ्ट के साथ, जो कि अभी एंगेज नहीं है, सेंटर के शाफ्ट के साथ बाउल को और ये Z2 को एंगेज कराए. Okay, so some plates are mounted on shaft and some plate are mounted on housing, and they are sandwiched together in such way that कि through those engagement or through those contact, Z2 and the housing will responsible to or convey power to center shaft, and once that power enter into the center shaft, it enter to the gearbox, and gearbox के अंदर number of gears है Z3, Z4, okay, Z5, Z6, okay. So and जो shaded किया है, that is those are the dog clutches. So inside the gearbox also some gears are fixed with the shaft, some gears are free on the shaft. Okay, and with the help of the dog clutch we are engaging those shaft with the those gear with the shaft. Okay, and this power from this shaft through gear is uh, uh, transmitted to the another shaft. Okay, उसको बोलते हैं ड्राइव एक्सेल. ओके, ड्राइव एक्सेल को जाता है, एंड आफ्टर दैट ड्राइव एक्सेल थ्रू Z5 गियर से, ओके, हम क्या करते हैं Z6 गियर तक थ्रू ड्राइव चेन, थ्रू ड्राइविंग बेल्ट और थ्रू शाफ्ट. मतलब तीन टाइप के ट्रांसमिशन सिस्टम है. एंड टॉर्क ट्रांसमिट करने के लिए हमारे पास तीन टाइप के ट्रांसमिशन अवेलेबल हो सकते हैं. सो दैट्स वाई यहाँ एक चेन भी हो सकती है, यहाँ एक बेल्ट भी हो सकता है, या यहाँ एक शाफ्ट भी हो सकता है. सो थ्रू शाफ्ट ड्राइव, थ्रू चेन ड्राइव और थ्रू बेल्ट ड्राइव वी आर ट्रांसमिटिंग दैट एंड टॉर्क from gearbox to road wheels. Okay, so this is a Z1 Z2 is the primary gear reduction and the Z5 Z6 is the secondary gear reduction. Okay, so यहाँ दो gear reduction है. One is the Z1 to Z2 and Z5 to Z6. So driven by driver is the number of teeth on the driven member, driven gear divided by the number of member on the driver gear. From that we are getting the gear ratio. So number of teeth on Z2 divided by number of teeth on Z1, we are getting the primary gear ratio, gear reduction, not gear ratio, gear reduction, and the Z6 by Z5 we are getting the secondary gear reduction. ओके, सो दिस इज अ थिंग ट्रांसमिशन. अभी पार्ट जो है वो ध्यान में दो, कौन कौन से पार्ट को क्या क्या बोल रहे हैं हम. सो दिस इज योर पिस्टन, कनेक्टिंग रॉड, गजन पिन, दिस इज अ क्रैंक शाफ्ट, इस साइड में जनरेटर है. Z1 by Z2 by Z1 is nothing but the primary gear reduction. Z1 is called as a small reduction gear and Z2 is called as a big reduction gear. Okay, after that this is a Z5 to Z6, this is a our secondary gear reduction. Okay, this is your drive axle, this is your clutch shaft, जो shaft अंदर तक जा रहा है that is called as a clutch shaft, and this is your drive shaft. Okay, so दो ही shaft है. If you have a look of the gearbox of four wheelers, then in those cases we are having a three shafts: main shaft, lay shaft and the क्लच शाफ्ट. ओके, जो कि यहाँ हमारे पास तीन ही शाफ्ट है, सॉरी दो ही शाफ्ट है, क्लच शाफ्ट एंड द और ड्राइव शाफ्ट. सो हम बोल सकते हैं कि हमारे पास क्लच शाफ्ट है और मेन शाफ्ट है, ले शाफ्ट नहीं है, जो कि फोर व्हीलर गियर बॉक्स में होता है. So this is our transmission system of geared vehicles in case of the two-wheeler geared vehicles. I hope you have understood the thing. The next in the next lecture we will see the how multi-plate clutch assembly are working, or how multi-plate assembly are located, or how they are constructed in case of the two-wheeler. Thank you.